In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watcher to a Jira ticket. This is a really handy feature when you want to keep someone in the loop regarding the progress and updates of a particular issue. Watchers are essentially users who will receive notifications about changes made to a ticket, such as comments, status alterations, or any other significant activity. This is especially useful in a team setting where collaboration and transparency are key, so let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate to Jira's Your Work section. If you're working within a larger organization or team, you may have multiple projects. This is where all your work items, including issues and projects you're involved with, are conveniently aggregated. You'll find this option in the main menu once you're logged into Jira. It serves as a centralized hub where you can easily access your projects, the issues you're working on or need to keep an eye on. This section provides a quick glance at what requires your attention and what you might need updates on. Once you're in the Your Work section, look for the specific project where your issue lives. Projects in Jira are essentially groupings of related issues that facilitate managing work across a team or on specific initiatives. Selecting the right project is crucial because that's where you'll locate the issue you're interested in. Within this project, you have streamlined access to all corresponding tasks and issues, enabling you to dive straight into the specific work item that you need to track. Next, you'll need to click on Issues. This will bring up a list of all the tickets, tasks, or issues that are a part of your project. If your project has a large number of issues, Jira provides versatile filtering options to help narrow down your search. You can sort and filter issues by parameters like date created, status, or priority to ensure you find the exact issue quickly and efficiently. Just take a moment to look over this list to locate the specific issue you want to add a watcher to. Once you've found the issue in question, the next step involves selecting that issue. Click on it to enter the detailed view. This view provides comprehensive insights into the issue, including its description, comments from team members, attachments, and most importantly, settings where you can manage watchers. Look towards the top right area of the screen. You'll generally find an eye icon. This represents the watch button. By clicking the eye icon, you're effectively adding a watcher to that issue. When you hover over this icon, it should give you a hint or tooltip that confirms this action's intention, indicating that you're about to add yourself or another user as a watcher. When this icon is clicked, a list or dialog box may appear, allowing you to type in a user's name or email address to invite them to watch the issue. It's also possible to remove someone as a watcher if they no longer need to receive updates by deselecting them. One tip to keep in mind is that managing watchers responsibly can prevent notifications overload. Inform only those team members who really need to stay updated. This helps maintain a focused and efficient workflow amongst the team, ensuring pertinent information is disseminated without overwhelming individuals with unnecessary updates. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a watcher to a Jira ticket. You should now be able to keep relevant team members informed on the progress of work that pertains to their roles or interests without any hassle. Remember, keeping your project information organized and your team well informed is foundational to effective project management, and using Jira's Watcher functionality is just one of the many tools you have at your disposal to achieve this. And there you have it. You're now equipped to streamline your team's communication and collaboration through Jira's powerful issue watching feature. If you found this tutorial helpful or have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, or if there are other Jira functionalities you'd like to learn about, drop your suggestions and we'll delve into those topics in future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.